me, and since you're watching this, I bet you are, you've been dealing with poor vision for the better part of your life.
I remember 6th grade having the big old glasses on my face.
I was having trouble seeing the chalkboard in the classroom. I also played a lot of sports as a kid. I played softball and soccer, so I was having trouble seeing the ball. I'm literally pretty much blind.
She is. With our glasses, I could walk in front of her and she wouldn't even notice me.
They said pretty much you're as blind as a bat, and so I hadn't noticed that I couldn't see the board until after that. Then I thought, no wonder I was squinting all the time.
I started out in elementary school with bifocals. I still have those glasses today.
When I took the glasses off or didn't have the contacts, I couldn't see the students' faces in my classroom. And that's a big deal. And I can't tell what they're writing down, or if they're copying notes, or if I'm at a pep rally doing the MC thing. It's hard to tell if the crowd is smiling at what I'm saying or if they're just sitting dumbfounded.
Big old glasses, big frames, and big old lenses. I wasn't as blind as her, but I was just, all my life, I was just used to it. Yeah.
At the time when I was at home, I didn't want to tell my parents I ruined another pair of contacts. Can we get another pair?
The procedure went a lot easier than I thought, and now my vision is so much better. I can't believe I didn't do this years ago.
Amazing that I can see every student smiling at a pep rally, or if I'm doing a performance in karaoke, I can look out at the crowd and see that they're singing along with me and they're having a good time.
Everything's so clear. It's like I'm wearing contacts. I still forget every day. It's like, especially the first week or two, I'm like, I fell asleep and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to take my contacts. Wait, no, I don't. I keep forgetting.
Looking through my camera lens, I'm really able to frame things a lot better. I'm able to see small details on things I'm taking pictures of, like nature.
I can see details in the trees. I can see the shape of all the teeny tiny leaves. I can see much better. And so any better than that, I'll have x-ray vision.
Now I can go under the water and we can stare at the niece and nephew straight ahead. We can laugh.
I can actually see my kid from across and really know that's my kid. She is doing great. So the LASIK procedures really helped me a lot.
It was a whole new world, because you see the details like, wow, if everyone else can see, what have I been missing?